Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to change the default resolution in Excel. So, to do this, you go to File, all the way down to the bottom, Options, Advanced, which is towards the middle, and then once you're in Advanced, you scroll down, and then under Image Size and Quality, and for this workbook in specifics, you can do it for different workbooks that you have open. You can then change your default resolution, and here it says a little bit of information about it. Using a resolution other than high fidelity might lose pixels from your pictures. High fidelity resolutions preserve quality, but may increase the file size of your documents. So that's useful, and you can change it to 220, high fidelity, 330, whatever you think works best. This is useful because having a larger resolution can make your pictures show up better, but a smaller resolution can help make your file size a little bit smaller. So hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.